In this hard time of COVID-19, CSIR CRRI has developed two important technologies for citizens of India, Kisan Sabha, which transforms farmers of India, and guidelines for public transportation and feeder mode considering social distancing norm. Kisan Sabha is a collaborative effort from CSIR CRRI and Sarvodaya Infotech to develop a mobile application which precisely helps farmers of India in this hard and strenuous time of COVID-19. Using its 6 modules, farmers, mandi dealers, transporters, service providers, members and consumers, farmers of India are now happy to get best rates from nearby mandis, transportation facilities, freight calculator and other services required within no time. Farmers are getting direct benefits to have their increased income. A detailed survey was being conducted by Kisan Sabha team in Asia's largest mandi, Azadpur Mandi, where transporters, mandi dealers and other stakeholders were being interviewed, and all the loopholes and ground realities were being incorporated in making Kisan Sabha. Finally, on Labour Day 1st May 2020, Kisan Sabha was being launched in CSIR headquarters in the presence of DG CSI Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, DG Aikar Dr. Trilochan Mahapatra, with senior dignitaries from agriculture sector and CSIR. Steps of Kisan Sabha are very simple and user-friendly, as it is basically conceptualized for farmers, and it is available in 12 languages. Kisan Sabha is showing great momentum since its launch and becoming famous among local farmers on pan-India basis. In Odisha state, 5,000 farmers are using Kisan Sabha right now. We have connected 1 FPO, 200 panchayats, opened 5 self-help groups where basically female farmers are being empowered using Kisan Sabha, and many more such activities are being done. Our Annadatas working for long hours in long acres of land are being transformed now. Using Kisan Sabha, we the team of Kisan Sabha are happy to make farmers of India Atmanirbhar. In the present scenario of unlock situation prevailing in our country after going through tough times of many lockdowns, there is a high risk for commuters travelling by metro, bus, feeder modes and pedestrians. Chances of spreading virus are quite high. WHO and government health ministries have recommended social distancing of 6 feet to control the spread. For policymakers and transport operators, it is a challenge to accommodate immediate demand of social distancing by providing suitable facilities and infrastructure. At one end, it is expected that more commuters may prefer to travel by personalized vehicles, and on the other hand, public transport capacity will be reduced while maintaining social distancing. Considering the sudden changes in urban mobility with social distancing norms, CSIR CRRI has prepared guidelines for public transport and feeder modes considering social distancing norms. The document mentions a systematic and strategic approach to be adopted to move ahead during COVID-19 pandemic unlock situation. Guidelines for metro include increased and enlightening boarding, feeder bus services, lift and escalator facilities at metro station for buses. Guidelines include rear door boarding, staggered and limited bus seating arrangement, automated fare collection system. For taxi, guidelines include application for contactless payment, physical separation between drivers and commuters and parking plans. Guidelines also include a very important aspect, that is the design of infrastructural changes for walking and crossing. The guidelines was released by Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Science and Technology, Earth Science, Government of India, Dr. Harshvardhan on 4th May 2020, along with DG CSIR Dr. Shekhar C. Mande and Director CRRI Professor Satish Chandra.
अभी ये एक डॉक्यूमेंट रिलीज़ करने का मौका मिला है CSIR हमारी सेंट्रल रोड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ने. आई थिंक दिस इज़ ए गुड एफर्ट, क्योंकि अभी पोस्ट कोविड सिचुएशन में कैसे सड़क के ऊपर हम ट्रैफिक को मेंटेन करेंगे और कैसे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग इत्यादि के नॉर्म्स को भी फॉलो करेंगे. आई थिंक ये खाली रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट की दृष्टि से नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ कि ओवरऑल जो है पूरी सोसाइटी में ही अब एक जीने का एक नया नॉर्म जो है ना, जिसे कहते हैं न्यू नॉर्मल, ये डेवलप होगा.
We at CSIR CRRI hope that these guidelines will help citizens of India to save from COVID-19.